Student, welcome once again. Now we are going to discuss the part H on page number 41, numerical problems. So first numerical is that 80 centimeter cube of iron weighs to 625 gram. Calculate the density of the iron. So it is very quite simple. So volume of iron is given, that is 80 centimeter cube. We put here. Mass of the iron, that is 624 gram. As we know that the density, that is equal to mass per unit volume, so we will put the values, that is here mass, that is 624 gram divided by 80 centimeter cube. So you will divide it, then you will get 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. So this is your first answer, that is density जो iron piece की है वो 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Now look at the second statement. A stone piece weighs 225 gram. So mass given है हमें by displacement method. Its volume was found to be 75 centimeter cube. So volume 75 centimeter cube. What is the density of the stone piece? So in the statement, volume of stone piece 75 centimeter cube, mass of the stone piece 225 gram. Once again we will use that formula, density equal to mass per unit volume. So that will be equal to 225 divided by 75. Look at that, this is the mass, this is the volume, 75 centimeter per cube. So you will divide it, then you will find out 3 gram per centimeter cube. So in the third numerical, they are giving density of copper equal to 8.9 gram per centimeter cube and find its value in kilogram per meter cube. So this is once again very simple. So what you have to do, as we know that 1 gram per centimeter cube equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So what do we have to do? So density of copper, what do we have to do? 8.9, instead of gram per centimeter you will multiply it with the 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So calculate it. So 8.9, remove this decimal, 89 over 10 multiply 1000, 0 cancel with 0, then you will find out, multiply both the term, so you will get 8900 kilogram per meter cube. So this is the answer. So 8.9 gram per centimeter converted into 8900 kilogram per meter cube. So look at the next numerical. The next numerical 4, a cuboidal object of size 15 centimeter weighs 1.35 kg. Calculate its density kilogram per meter cube. So we have a cuboidal body and its each side is 15 centimeter. First we have to calculate the volume, because they are not giving the volume, they are giving only the side of the cuboidal. And its weight is 1.35 kg. We have to calculate the density in kilogram per meter. Look at that. We have to calculate the density kilogram per meter cube. Here, this is in kilogram mass, but the volume is in centimeter. So we have to convert it into meter cube. Then we will find out for that density in the form of kilogram per meter cube. So look at that. Mass of the cuboidal body is given 1.35 kg, and the side of a cuboid, that is 15 centimeter. Given. So look at that, this is the cuboidal body. Cuboidal means each side is equal, mean to say height, breadth and length. Each side is 15 centimeter. So first we will calculate the volume of the cuboidal. As you know, the volume of the cube or cuboidal, that is length into breadth into height, because all the sides are equal. So you will put here 15 multiply 15 multiply 15. So because in the centimeter, so volume will be in the centimeter cube. Now we have to convert the first we will convert the centimeter into meter. Now look at that. As we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, cross multiply, then it will become 1 centimeter equal to 1 over 100 meter. Because look at that, here this is the centimeter cube. So we will cube on both sides. So left hand side 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 over 100 meter whole cube. So you have to put here, instead of centimeter cube you will put 1 over 100 meter raised to power 3. So here look at that, this is the cube, so we can write it as a 15 over 100, 15 over 100, 15 over 100, and when you open this bracket it will become the meter cube. Now as we know that the density is equal to mass per unit volume, so equal to, so 1.35 kg is the mass. We will put in the denominator. In the numerator we have to put the value of the volume. So 15 over 100, 15 over 100 multiply 15 over 100, that's meter cube. So reverse it, so it will be the denominator and it will become the numerator. Look at 1.35 multiply 100 multiply 100 multiply 100. Here we will first remove this point. So we remove this point, and here will become the 135 over 100. So 100 cancel with 100. So 51 or 15, 59 that is 135, 3 3 or 9, that is 3 5 or 15. So once again 3 1 or 3, 3 5 or 15. So 5 1 or 5, 5 20 that is 100, 5 1 or 5, again 5 4 or 20. So 4 into 100, look at that, all the terms of denominator are cancelled out. 135 cancel out, 100 cancel out, this 100 cancel out, only we have 100. So 100 multiply 4, it will become 400 kilogram per meter cube. So this is our answer which required in the statement. Here our answer should be, that is density of the cuboid should be in the numerical number 5. What will be the mass of a metal sphere of radius 3 cm if its density is 7 gram per centimeter cube? So we have a metal sphere. First we will calculate the volume, then after that we will calculate the mass. So we have a metal sphere of radius 3 cm. They are also given the density of the sphere, that is 7 gram per centimeter cube, radius of sphere 3 cm. So volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put all these values, look at that, our value of r, that is 3. So 3 has the power 3, so it multiply 3 times, then it will be 3 3 and 9 98 27. So cancel out with the 3, 3 1 are 3, 3 9 are 27. So 4 9 are 36, multiply 22 divided by 7. So 36 multiply 22, that is 792 divided by 7. So divide the both the terms, and then you will get 113.14 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the sphere. Now as we know that density equal to mass per unit volume, so cross multiply. So we multiply D, so mass will be equal to density multiply volume. As we know that density 7 gram per centimeter cube, and volume we have calculated it, that is 113.14 centimeter cube. So centimeter cube cancel with the centimeter cube, 113.14 multiply 7, then it will be 791.98 gram. You can round off, then you have the answer 792 grams. So look at that here, 1 will be increased by 2, so 792 gram. So mass of the metal sphere is 792 gram. So in the numerical number 6, we have to calculate the volume of the object, that is the wooden object. They are giving the mass of wooden object 280 kilogram, and the density is 800 kilogram per meter cube. So as we know that density equal to mass per unit volume, so cross multiply it, then volume will be equal to mass divided by density, and that will be equal to value of the mass, that is 280 kilogram, density 800 kilogram per meter cube. So 0 cancelled with 0, 4 7 are 28, 4 20 are 80, kilogram cancelled with kilogram here. This is the reciprocal term, so it will become 7 by 20, because we are finding the volume, so it will be meter cube. So 7 divided by 20, then you will get 0.35 meter cube. So this is the volume of the wooden object. So in the next numerical, that is numerical number 7, an empty density bottle of 25 milliliter capacity with 22.6 gram, when filled with a liquid, its weight 43.8 gram. Find the density of the given liquid. Express your answer in SI unit. So what we have to do, so whatever the density volume of the density bottle, that is the volume of the given fluid, so that will be equal to 25 milliliter. Then after that its weights, empty capacity weight density bottles weights is 22.6 gram without liquid, but with liquid it becomes 43.8 grams. So then after that we will calculate the mass of the liquid. So we will minus 43.8 gram minus 22.6 gram, then we will find out the mass of the liquid. Then after that we will find the density. Then in second statement they are asking that express your answer in SI unit, then we will convert it into further SI unit. Now here, according to statement, the volume of the density bottle equal to 25 milliliter, and a milliliter will be converted into centimeter cube. As we know that 1 milliliter equal to 1 centimeter cube. So what is the mass of the liquid? That will be equal to mass of density bottle with fluid minus mass of density bottle without fluid. So put these values. Mass of density bottle with fluid is given 43.8 gram, mass of density bottle without fluid 22.6 grams. So minus it, then you will find out 21.2 gram. As we know that the formula of density equal to mass per unit volume. So we will put these values here. 212 divided by 250. We will remove this decimal and that will be 212 over 250. So 10 यहाँ पे आएगा. So multiply हो गया 25 का 250. So gram per centimeter cube. As we know that 1 gram per centimeter cube equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So multiply 212 divided by 250, multiply 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So 0 cancel with 0, 25 are 25 and 25 4s are 100. So multiply both these numerator. 212 multiply 4, that would be equal to 848 kilogram per meter cube. So gram per centimeter cube, kilogram, this is the SI unit of density. Numerical is numerical number 8. Calculate the density of the solid from the following data. So data is the given, that is the mass of the given solid 84.2 gram, initial volume of water, and a measuring cylinder 36 milliliter, final volume of water with solid, that is 60 milliliter. So just we have to use this formula. So mass of given solid, that is M, 84.2 gram, initial volume of water, that is V1, that is without solid, 36 milliliter. So final volume of water with the solid, let's assume that this is V2, that is equal to 60 milliliter. Now what is the volume of solid? So minus these two volumes. So volume with the solid minus initial volume of water, that is 60 minus 36, that will be equal to 24 milliliter. So look at that here, the units are in milliliter. As we know that 1 milliliter equal to 1 centimeter cube. So 24 milliliter equal to 24 centimeter cube. So now we have to calculate density equal to mass per unit volume again. So value of the mass, that is 84.2 gram divided by its volume 24 centimeter cube. So remove this decimal, then it will be over 10. So 8 into 42 divided by 24 multiply 10 gram per centimeter. 2 से आप कैंसिल करेगा, 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 2, that 421, here 2 12 are 24, and after that 421 divided by 12 into 10. So 421 divided with 12 only, not with the 2, then it will be 35.08 over 10. Now again, now we have the final value is 3.508 gram per centimeter cube. So this is your